Imagine if you could build wealth faster, not by working harder, but by doing less. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what minimalism teaches us. Most people believe making more money is the key to getting rich. But the truth? It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep, grow, and use strategically. In today's video, we're diving into 10 minimalist money strategies that build wealth faster, backed by psychology, real-life case studies, and counterintuitive insights that will challenge everything you thought you knew about money. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel and let's quickly get started. Number 1. The 80-20th rule of expenses. 80% of your financial stress comes from just 20% of your expenses. Most people focus on cutting small things like $5 lattes. But millionaires focus on big expenses, housing, cars, and lifestyle choices. A $2,500 per month apartment versus a $1,500 per month apartment, that's a $12,000 year difference. Over 10 years, $120,000 saved. Invested in an S&P 500 index fund at 8% return, over $200,000. Identify the top 3 expenses draining your bank account and optimize them. Negotiate rent, buy a used car, or downsize. The rich optimize big expenses, the poor cut coupons. Number 2. The 100-hour rule for side hustles. In a world where time is our most valuable asset, misusing it can be costly. Many people make the mistake of spreading themselves too thin, trying to juggle numerous projects without significant progress. This leads to burnout, frustration, and ultimately abandoned ventures. The E100-hour rule emphasizes efficiency and effectiveness, key ingredients in achieving sustainable growth. As best-selling author Tim Ferriss famously said, focus on being productive instead of busy. Sarah, a marketing executive, spends sporadic evenings on her freelance graphic design gigs, leading to inconsistent client satisfaction and slow growth. In contrast, John, inspired by the 100-hour rule, devotes focused weekend mornings to refining his coding skills. Within months, he launches a successful app that attracts thousands of users, transforming his side hustle into a profitable venture. Concentrate your efforts on high-impact tasks rather than spreading yourself thin. Dedicate focused blocks of time to your side hustle to maximize productivity and results. Number 3. The 2-account investment strategy. Most people invest backwards. They dump money into the stock market or crypto without a plan, then panic when things go south. This is why the average investor earns far less than the market itself. The 2-account investment strategy flips the script. It's simple: one account for safe, long-term investments, and another for high-growth, calculated risk plays. This strategy gives you the best of both worlds, stability and opportunity, without emotional roller coasters. Mistake most people make? They treat investing like gambling. They throw all their savings into a single volatile asset, hoping for a jackpot. When markets crash, fear takes over and they sell at a loss, killing years of potential growth. Instead, split your money. One account for safe, diversified assets, index funds, bonds, real estate, and another for calculated risks, stocks, startups, or even crypto. Wealth is built with patience, not panic. Use one account to preserve capital, another to seize opportunities. Avoid emotional investing. This strategy helps you stay calm when the market crashes and capitalize when it rebounds. Number 4. Hide your money from yourself. Most people fail at saving because their money is too easy to access. They see it, they spend it. Simple as that. That's why the secret to effortless wealth building is making your savings invisible. Automate it, move it out of sight, and watch it grow without temptation. As David Bach, author of The Automatic Millionaire, puts it, you can't spend what you can't see. When your money is hidden in a high-yield savings account, an investment fund, or even a separate bank, you remove the daily urge to dip into it for impulse buys. Out of sight, out of mind, out of reach. Automate savings into an inaccessible account and let wealth grow effortlessly. Just like a locked cookie jar keeps you from overeating, a hidden savings account keeps you from overspending. Both lead to a healthier future. Number 5. The one-in, one-out rule. Most people hoard things they don't need. Clothes, gadgets, even subscriptions, without realizing that every extra item is a hidden expense. The one-in, one-out rule is a simple yet powerful spending strategy. For every new purchase, remove an old one. It forces you to be intentional with money and eliminates waste. People buy mindlessly. They upgrade phones when the old one works fine, fill their closet with outfits they never wear, and waste money on things that don't improve their life. The result? Cluttered homes, maxed out credit cards, and financial stress. Instead, adopt the one-in, one-out rule. Before buying new shoes, donate an old pair. Before subscribing to a new service, cancel one. Just like a balanced diet keeps your body healthy, a balanced spending habit keeps your finances strong. Too much junk and you'll pay the price. Number 6. The no-budget budgeting hack. Most people fail at budgeting because, let's be honest, tracking every expense is exhausting. The no-budget hack is a minimalist way to manage money without the stress of spreadsheets. Instead of micromanaging every dollar, automate your finances. Set aside savings and investments first, cover essential bills, and freely spend what's left. This approach forces you to live within your means while still enjoying life. Jason, an engineer, set up auto transfers to savings and investments before spending a dime. Over 5 years, he built a $100K portfolio without feeling restricted. Focus on priorities, not penny counting. Make saving effortless so you can enjoy guilt-free spending. Just like dieting fails when it's too restrictive, budgeting fails when it's too complicated. Simplify the process and success follows. Number 7. Buy once, cry once. Most people waste thousands replacing cheap, low-quality junk. Fast fashion, flimsy gadgets, and bargain bin furniture cost you more in the long run. The buy once, cry once strategy flips this mindset. Invest in durable, high-quality essentials that last for years, even if they cost more upfront. As Naval Ravikant says, spend extravagantly on the things that bring you lasting value and cut ruthlessly on the rest. A well-made leather wallet, a premium kitchen knife, or a solid wood table may sting at first, but they save you from constantly rebuying and wasting money. Adopt the buy once, cry once rule. Research, invest in quality, and avoid repeat spending. A freelancer bought a high-end standing desk and ergonomic chair, boosting his productivity and saving his back. Cheap is expensive in the long run. Pay more upfront, save thousands over time. Quality over quantity. Own fewer, better things. Your future self will thank you. Number 8. The weekend challenge for cutting expenses. Here is a challenge for you. Block out Saturday and Sunday to audit your spending. Cancel useless services, renegotiate bills, and find smarter alternatives. The 48-hour wealth reset is a weekend challenge to slash wasteful expenses and take control of your money. This challenge forces you to stop bleeding cash on things that don't serve you and redirect it toward real wealth building. Most people think small expenses don't matter. A working mom swapped expensive grocery brands for budget-friendly options, saving $200 monthly, funding her dream vacation within a year. Just like a diet reset cleanses your body, a money reset detoxes your finances, giving you a fresh start toward financial freedom. Challenge yourself. A single weekend of smart decisions can transform your financial future. Minimalist wealth isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. The mindset shift that changes everything. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Remember, the fastest way to wealth isn't to earn more, it's to need less. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.